Wow, that was so easy. I think that took me about 90 seconds to install it. The hardest part was cutting the foam actually off the pipe. But after that, I just strapped it on. I used the tool to cinch it super tight. I cut the ends off. It was on securely. I pushed the button down for a few seconds. Everything turned green. It's online. What if you could monitor and meter the water going to every room in your building, every device in your building, and on every pipe in your building? Well, now you can, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and you're watching Sprinkler TV. So what we're gonna look at today is a very innovative device that is just hit the market called the SimpleSUB. And the SimpleSUB is a wireless flow sensor that uses ultrasonic technology to accurately measure and meter the water on any pipe. When I say any pipe, I'm talking about pipes, small pipes, 1/2 inch pipe, 3/4 inch pipe, and 1 inch pipe. And the SimpleSUB, and I'm gonna show you here in just a minute, simply straps on to the pipe, and then it has a wireless cellular device inside so it can talk to the cloud directly without any hubs or gateways or Wi-Fi or other technology necessary. You can read this device remotely right from your computer without anything else necessary. So again, it's for 1/2 inch pipe, 3/4 inch pipe, 1 inch pipe, and it works with PVC, CPVC, PEX, copper L, and copper type M. And what I wanna do is just kinda give you the once over so you can see exactly what it looks like. Look, there's me, Andrew Humphrey. They pre-provision this at the factory for you. So you tell them your pipe size and you tell them your type of pipe, and then they'll provision it for you so that when you install it, it's ready to go. Let's go ahead and flip this over because I want to show you what comes in the box. We have the SimpleSUB meter, and then what looks like standard wire ties or zip ties. And then they send this awesome tool here to actually pull the straps tight. So what you do is you just take your wire tie and you stick it in here and it loops around like that. And we'll do it again with the other one. And then it's pretty much self-explanatory. You can see how you'll just simply put this, because it's simple, it's the SimpleSUB. You'll simply put this on the pipe, strap it down, and then you'll hold this play button for a few seconds. These lights are going to come on. It's going to connect to the cellular network and then load right into your account. And if I'm not mistaken, data from this device is sent up to the cloud once per day, but it logs the water usage throughout the day, and that helps maintain an 8 to 10 year battery life on the SimpleSUB because it's not in direct communication to the cloud, which utilizes a lot of power. Give it a try. Let us know how it works for you. And if we can answer any questions about, sprinklers, irrigation, lighting, drip, hit us up anytime. We're available by phone, chat, email, text message. And until the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview, happy sprinkling. We'll see you then.